Huge welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. In this video, we are uncovering a new play to earn token that just hit the cryptocurrency markets. Now, this could be absolutely huge. We're talking next Axie Infinity scale, next DeFi Kingdom scale, next Pika Moon scale, and beyond, maybe even delivering up to 100x returns. Now, let's talk about it. Meme market is valued at 65 billion. We've got play to earn market valued at 14 billion. And I think there's a lot of appetite overall for coins like this right now. So it goes by the name of PlayDoge. Look at this, 3 days, 17 hours until basically the price goes up again. But they've already hit 213k raise in just literally hours of launch. So here is PlayDoge, the best play to earn Doge companion game. It's inspired by the legendary 90s Tamagotchi device. So really cool, tying in nostalgia to blockchain and of course factoring in the growth of Web3 gaming, because we can see the video game market is absolutely on fire and is predicted to go from $250 billion in 2023 up to around what looks like 675 billion by 2033. So in a decade, we should see some huge growth for the sort of play to earn gaming and overall adoption here of augmented reality and VR, which could then, you know, funnel in and integrate into blockchain too. So here is the website, looks absolutely fantastic. And here is the first tweet saying, introducing PlayDoge, the only play to earn Doge companion, inspired by the legacy of Tamagotchi. Feed, train and play with your 2D Doge to earn. So what do you think of this, guys? This is absolutely awesome. Great graphics straight away. It's colorful, it's vibrant, it's poppy. We could see something very, very good happen here overall for the coin. And yeah, you know, early days, guys. So give them a follow. The link is down below to the website if you do want to help us support their Twitter and just stay in the know of all the big things that are coming. So game features, here is a snippet and a teaser of exactly how the mobile app could look on your screen. You've got the about section here where it says, of course, it's a mobile game that integrates the legendary Tamagotchi. You've got the inspiration because 82 million units of Tamagotchi devices have been sold since 1996. And then the game features are going to have, of course, fun, vibrant 8-bit graphics, design, music, and all that to keep you going and enticed to play and compound some gains. It's all about play to earn. You can actually earn money by playing the game. Roadmap, we can see we've got a bit of Space Invaders sort of tease here. Phase 1, contract audit. Phase 2 is also going to expand on that, but the pre-sales start in phase 1, which is now. You can see social activation, initial marketing push. Phase 2, app development starts, the pre-sale will end, the DEX token launches, and then product roadmap will go ahead. Phase 3 is increase marketing, continued app testing, mini-game beta, first centralized exchange listings, and then we're going to see phase 4, PlayDoge app release, full mini games launch, community airdrops, and bigger centralized exchange listings. So this is bullish. You can see here the Play token. We indeed have got the contract here. We can see that is on BSC scan, fully available, transparent for you guys to have a look at in your spare time. And you can see the Play token features is functionality, earning mechanisms, and utility. It's got the play to earn side. It's got yourself on the leaderboard, so we can climb those leaderboard ladders and in turn effectively earn more play tokens and in-game rewards. Tokenomically, we've got 9.4 billion tokens. Pre-sale provides 4.7 billion for sale, which is 50%. Community rewards at 7.5%. Marketing at 12.5%. Liquidity at 11.5%. Project funds at 12.5%. Staking at 6%. So that is something you can actually do with this ecosystem. You can actually stake as well if you really wanted to. So speaking of the staking, you've got 6,771% per annum rewards, 17.88 rewards per Ethereum block, and 2.7 million tokens are being staked in at the moment. And those emissions will slowly release over the 3-year period, as you can see right here. So what a great looking website. You can see some animations there. I think it could be a really, really big one out here. How do you buy it? Well, first of all, you connect your wallet, use the link I've got down below. Please remember, do not risk more than you can afford to lose, because it is not financial advice. Once you've connected, you can then swap your desired amount of BNB, ETH, or Tether into your Play tokens. Then you can stake them if you want to. That's completely up to you as well. Personally, I don't really do the staking thing, but hey, it could be a good way to compound some gains if it's a pre-sale that maybe takes 6, 8, 10, or 12 weeks. Then lastly, when the pre-sale is finished, you can claim your tokens manually from the website into your original wallet that you use for purchase. So when you click that connect wallet button, or if you click that buy tokens button, it's effectively going to prompt you to connect your MetaMask wallet and then buy some of the tokens if you want to do so. So I will be absolutely supporting this one and grabbing some tokens. Not sure how many, maybe $5,000 worth. It's hard to say, but I'm ultimately bullish. This one does look really good. You can see the download PlayDoge will be coming soon, and that's where you can sort of begin your PlayDoge adventure. And I think it does look really, really good. I would like to see also NFTs of this one. That could be really cool if they also launch some NFTs. Here is a smart contract audit from Solidity. Of course, that gives it the green flag to then go and push it public, and it means that they've given information to Solid Proof to ensure that there is trust with the project as well. Yeah, so effectively, PlayDoge is a mobile-based play-to-earn game that combines the iconic Doge with the meme and Tamagotchi style virtual pet management. So it does look really, really cool here. What do you think of this one? Let me know down in the comments. Are you going to have a look at it? Are you going to sit on the sidelines and wait? But this is your play to earn Tamagotchi themed Doge companion. Embrace 90s nostalgia. I think it could be absolutely cool. It's got that sort of mix between a play to earn and a meme coin, in my opinion, because it's of course using the Doge theme. And I think just looking at everything we've got here, product-wise, utility-wise, this could be really, really a big one that creates a strong community and culture for hopefully the next 10 to 100x crypto out there. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel if you're new here and want to stay in the know of all hot cryptocurrencies. See you soon. Stay crypto safe. Bye for now.